Let's discuss the 5 transporting points. Hesi point, heart 3, Shaohai, lesser C. Location with the elbow flex, this point is in a depression between the ulnar end of the transverse cubital crest and the medial epicondyle of the humerus. How to find this point should be located with the elbow slightly flexed and the forearm in a supinated position. Find the ulnar end of the transverse cubital crest and palpate towards the medial epicondyle of the humerus. Heart 3 is located in a depression approximately midway between P3 and the medial epicondyle, or with the elbow fully flexed. Heart 3 is located directly at the medial end of the transverse crest. Located in the same level are P3 ulnar to the tendon of the bicep muscle. Lung 5 radial to the tendon of the bicep muscle, and LI11 at the radial end of the crest. Needling 0.5 to 1.5 June obliquely in a distal or proximal direction or vertically towards LI11. Actions indication transforms phlegm, clears heat with the heart, calms the Shen, opens the channel, and loop vessels. Special features: Hesi point, water point, important local point, important calming point. This point is used mostly to drain heart fire or clear heart empty heat. It has an important calming action on the mental level by clearing heart fire, and is indicated for anxiety and mental restlessness. It is also used as a local point to remove obstructions from the heart channel in the painful obstruction syndrome, atrophy syndrome, or sequelae of heart stroke. The lesser yin C of the Shao here clearly refers to Shao yin, that is lesser yin, to which the heart belongs. It is for this reason that the character Shao recurs in the point heart 8 and heart 9. It removes obstruction from the channel, heart pain, fullness of the chest, pain in the axilla, pain in the elbow. Calms the mind in manic behavior, inappropriate laughter, mental restlessness, anxiety. Clears heat in red eyes. Heart 3 is the Hesi and water point of the heart, lesser yin channel. Hence the name Shaohai, lesser C. It has 3 main spheres of action. Firstly, it is able to calm the spirit, transforms phlegm, and clears heat, being indicated in such disorder as mania and laughter, epilepsy, tongue thrusting, where the tongue is repeatedly thrust out of the mouth like a snake's tongue, and poor memory, as well as other manifestations of phlegm such as vomiting of foamy saliva and scrofula. Clinically, however, it is less used for this purpose than points such as P5, stomach 40, SJ10. Secondly, as the water point of the heart fire channel, heart 3 is able to drain heat from the head, manifesting as redness of the eyes, erosion and swelling of the gums, and toothache accompanied by chills and fever. The third and main clinical application of Shaohai heart 3, however, is in the treatment of various disorders of the heart channel in the upper limb. It is an important point for numbness and trembling of the arm and hand, and disorders of the elbow. According to the classic of Jade Dragon, it is indicated for fullness of the chest with agitation of the heart accompanied by numbness and difficulty in raising the shoulder and arm. In the treatment of atrophy disorder and hemiplegia following windstroke, points of yang min channel, which is abundant in qi and blood, have long been emphasized. Clinical practice has demonstrated, however, that better results are obtained when some points from yin channel are also selected. Due to the important action of heart 3 on disorders of the whole arm, it is often stimulated by through needling from LI11 in the treatment of these disorders. Little c as Hesi and water point helps to clear heat, which means it also calms the mind and spirit, as the heart is adversely affected by heat, and so it can help in epilepsy, insomnia, or eczema, depression, mental retardation, or hypomania, whether the condition is one of excess or deficiency. Regulates the heart, regulates chi and blood, calms the spirit, strengthens the brain, clears heat. Hesi points are where the chi of the meridian unites and goes deeper into the body. As a Hesi point, it can smooth the flow of chi and blood in the meridian and dislodge pathogens, so it can be used for B syndrome. Removes obstruction from the meridian, moves stagnation when there is pain in the chest or arm. Local point for contracture and pain of the elbow after stroke. Water point is the antique autumn point, first aid exhaustion. This point is like a reservoir of vital energy and is commonly used to transfer chi from the kidney to the heart via the kiss cycle. As the water point, it controls fire and helps to soothe and calms the heart if a patient is agitated, overheated, restless, having difficulty sleeping, or is exhausted. Consider where there is loss of voice, hesitant speech, or forgetfulness. This point helps in keeping our consciousness clear.